Video I will show you how to set up your VS Code when you are install it. I have talk about the video how to install in a VS Code. So here after the installing that, what you have to do, I am going, if this through this button you can manage the your laptop from other device. I have pressed the all button that I have to install. What you have to purpose that you have to build on your HP on your base code. So you click on it. So after clicking on it, so I press the next button. So now it is time to talking about the fundamental. In this panel it talk about the fundamentals. So you can read this, you can read this, and all the command. I press the all that what you have to know that after setup I press the all button that I have installed a record. So I will only use this is the boost your productivity. Now this is case is important when you build your product, and since it is there are base code version and one is Google, other is Microsoft. So since if you use the Microsoft product that I am using in the previous so I will talk you, it will help you to build .NET. GitHub I will talk in a later video how to use the GitHub. So how to open a file. So I open a creative file. So in this way I press a new file, and to new file I have to create my folder. So I go to my open a folder path and create my new folder, and I have name it in the game. So after that I click on it and it is open. So my new game is open. For this you have to, now I can create a folder. For this you have to, this is asked when you are new, and if you are new, your system is new to VS Code, so it will ask for your first time, so to trust your domain. So this has asked for me. Now it is used to show me how to which build up is. This is used to build up your text line editor, and now I can create a file. How to create a file? Control plus and it create a file. After that you name it by your dot extension. If you are creating a file Python, then you will jpg dot python, and now I have created HTML file. So after pressing Ctrl plus N, I will save it Ctrl plus S. It result of showing my result that which I have recorded. So for more video, do like, share, subscribe.